Why you must stop cracking your neck. Neurosurgeon's warning. Do you crack your neck for relief? As a neurosurgeon, I warn you this habit is a gamble with your health. The most critical danger is a stroke. The sudden force can tear your vertebral artery, causing a brain infarction or a fatal cerebral hemorrhage. This is a life-threatening emergency. Furthermore, repetitive twisting puts constant stress on your spinal discs. This accumulates over time, causing chronic degenerative changes. Eventually, it can lead to severe disc damage that may require surgery. Do not trade your long-term health for a second of relief. Instead of cracking, try gentle stretching. If this was helpful, please subscribe and hit like. Leave a comment if you have questions. This was Changemaker Jay, rooting for your healthy future. Goodbye.